Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm really excited to finally share this with you. My complete machine learning bootcamp is now live on Udemy. This is a 66 plus hours deeply structured course where we start from absolute basics and go all the way to building and deploying complete machine learning applications on the cloud. This is not just about learning models, this is about understanding machine learning as a complete system. And I have built this course with these four pillars in mind. First is conceptual clarity. You will understand why things work, not just how to use them. Whether it is machine learning workflows, algorithms, evaluation metrics, or deployment decisions, I explain the reasoning behind every step so you are never blindly following code. Next is hands-on learning, and this course will be very hands-on. You will train, optimize, evaluate, and deploy machine learning models step by step. Every major concept is backed by real code, dataset, and practical exercises so that the learning actually sticks. And the third pillar is career focused. This course is designed with real industry workflows in mind. You will learn skills that actually matter in real machine learning roles and not just have a dataset and train a model inside a notebook. The focus is always on building confidence to work on real projects in an organization. And the next thing is end to end thinking. And this is the most important part. You will learn how machine learning fits together from data collection, pre processing, modeling, evaluation, optimization, and all the way up to deployment. This bigger picture understanding is what most learners miss, and that is exactly what this course fixes. Now, let me quickly show you what you will actually build in this course. First is machine learning models. You will train a wide range of machine learning models from classification, regression, unsupervised learning, etc. And important note here, we focus on building model intuition, understanding the model working and the correct usage, and not building models from scratch using raw math equations. So we won't do that. And this is intentional. The goal is to make you effective and confident and not exhausted by this detailed mathematical equations that we need to solve. And the next thing is concept to code. Every concept moves clearly from intuition to Python code. You will see how mathematical ideas translate into real implementation using NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn without unnecessary complexity. And the next part is end-to-end pipelines. You will build complete pipelines from raw data to final predictions. This includes data collection, EDA, pre-processing, and using scikit-learn's pipelines to combine your scalars, models, etc. And we also perform detailed optimization so that we can improve the performance of the model. Nothing is skipped, nothing is assumed. And the next is capstone project. This course includes two real-world capstone projects that you can work on, and each project include proper EDA, proper pre-processing, model selection, hyperparameter tuning, evaluation, as well as deployment. And these projects you can confidently talk about in interviews and your resume. And we also build a user interface using Streamlit and Fast API backend for these projects. And one project out of this will also follow production grade code so that we can follow like better standards to build our application. And the next important aspect of the course is deployment. You will learn how to deploy machine learning applications properly. You will learn how you can take your code, how you can take your models from a notebook to a proper deployment server. This includes converting notebooks into scripts, building APIs with Fast API, creating UIs with Streamlit, using Git and GitHub, and deploying everything on AWS. EC2 instance, and you will learn all these things. By the end, you will know how to take a model and make it usable in the real world. And with this being said, a very important point about math in this course, math is covered at a balanced depth enough to understand what is happening under the hood, but not so deep that it causes fatigue. I have covered linear algebra, statistics, calculus, probability, and all are explained using intuition as well as hands-on examples in Python. So the goal is understanding and not memorizing. And you might notice that some topics overlap with my YouTube machine learning course. That is expected, but the content here is extremely different. This Udemy course is more structured, more comprehensive, and there are no gaps. Everything connects end to end, and projects are taken to full completion, including deployment. So, if you are learning my machine learning course on YouTube, if you are halfway through or if you are starting this YouTube machine learning course, then I would strongly recommend you to take a look at this Udemy course. And this course is ideal if you are a beginner, a student, a working professional, or someone transitioning into machine learning. You do not need any prior machine learning experience or Python experience. So I have explained Python basics, I have explained how to set up Python environment, machine learning basics, and everything. So if you're willing to learn step by step, this course will take you all the way from basics to real world machine learning systems. So if you want to truly understand machine learning, build real projects and confidently deploy machine learning applications, this course will be for you. And as I said, the course is now live on Udemy, and you will find the link in the description, and there is a launch offer that is going on, and you will find this course that will be like extremely affordable. So please take a look at this course, and you can enroll this after going through all the syllabus of this course, and you can enroll it if you like this course. So that is all from my side, and I'm excited to see you there.